Welcome to idoit. This is the instruction manual to show you how to use this unbelievable Chrome extension, which basically converts your Google Chrome browser into Comet or OpenAI's Atlas. And now you don't have to leave Chrome anymore. So let's get started. When you click the extension, I'm going to click on it right now. What you can see is you get a pop-out sidebar called idoit, which you can open or close just by clicking on the Chrome extension, just like that. And then you can use it whenever you need it and close it whenever you don't need it. Now, it can also be closed with this button here, which is the typical Chrome sidebar closer, or you can close it with the actual sidebar button. It's completely up to you. Once you arrive at the idoit display here, you have two options, and over here you can type what exactly you want to do. So you can either type what you want, like post on Facebook. For example, it's not my birthday today. And just click do it, the button do it over here, and that will make it just do it straight away. Let me just do that for a second. Before we do that, I can say, what is this page all about? And click on ask, and then I can get information about the page, which is basically the equivalent and identical tool functionality, which is as OpenAI's Atlas and Comet, where you can actually talk to the page and it shows you what this is all about. Just as an example, can you summarize what this can do in one line? And here you can chat. idoit is an AI browser controller for Chrome that automates clicks, typing, and navigation on any website with intelligent site understanding and one-click actions. Now, if I ask it, why is this better than Atlas and Comet, for example, it will also answer that because that information is available on this website. Let's see if it knows. Based on the information provided, okay, so it doesn't actually mention it, and I'll tell you why. Because it has this thing called site context prompts, which are available by clicking this star over here. This site-specific prompt will allow you to customize the use of this software on any website. So for example, if I go to my saved rules, you can see I have one saved rule, which is for facebook.com. And let me just click edit here to show you what the saved rule is. The saved rule is when you want to switch profile, please click on the logo on the top right of the screen to show all the profiles. The idea of this means it will help the AI when it goes to a specific website of the internet, which starts with this. It will know how to use that website. See, the problem with these agents is sometimes they don't know what to click to submit a comment. They don't know where to find information. It's like giving a baby, a 5-year-old, a mouse and saying, listen, post this on Facebook for me. They have no idea what they're doing. So these browser controllers need to be babied at the beginning. And the more of these you add, site context prompts, the more of these you add, the more smart your agent will be. So now let's do the task we said we were going to do. We said we were going to do post on my Facebook. It's not my birthday today. So let's do that. Let's just start from scratch. Let's reset everything over here and type post on my Facebook. It's not my birthday. So I'm going to click mouse control, and now it says, if you can see this big massive black mouse over here, that's the idoit mouse, and it's navigating. Like you see, it's able to navigate to Facebook, and it's able to go to my page and work its magic. As you can see, it says working my magic. It can scroll, it can go and find a post, and it can type. It can do everything that you would expect from a browser controller. I actually prefer it to Comet because Comet is really boring. It kind of highlights the outside, the outlines of the website, but you can't actually see the mouse. It's not so fun. The user experience isn't so great. So let's see if it's able to actually post "It's not my birthday today" and see if it works out. Okay. Now we're going to watch it type. Okay, sometimes these browser controllers get stuck, but let's hope it manages to actually do this job. Some jobs it does amazing, and some jobs it just has a hard time with. That's why it's so important to educate your browser. Here we go. It's typed the text. It's not my birthday today. And now it's supposed to click the next button and continue If there was more work to do, it would have done more work. Of course, everyone uses this for their own purpose. Let's hope it clicks on the next button now. Okay, so it's finally clicked the next button, and now I wanted to click the post button to continue and finish this process, and it's just posting right now. Fantastic. And so it's finished, and as you can see, the post has now been posted. Now now it's finished. It's finished the job. It's all done, and now we can do another job and give it more tasks to do if I want to, but really it's finished. So that concludes this instruction manual. Let me think if I missed out anything. I showed you these save prompts where you can create custom prompts. You do that by pressing the plus button and creating a custom prompt, like for example, join 3 groups that talk about OpenAI with at least 10k members, for example. So this could be a prompt here. And then every time I want to do that, I just click on this and then click mouse control, and now it's going to actually go and join 10 groups for me, which is fantastic. I don't have to do anything. It just kind of does all the work for me. It searches, it finds the groups, it looks at how many people are in each group, and it only joins ones which have more than 10,000. So all of these groups have less than 3,000. So it's going to have to see all the button over here, and it's going to join the groups, and it can even post and share your posts in other groups. As you can see, it's clicked on groups, and it's basically fantastic. It does the job much better than the other browser controllers. I just like the way that you can see the mouse. Comet is a bit different. You can't really see the mouse. You just kind of hope that it's going to work. And so I think this is a big leap forward in AI browser control, and the fact that it works in Google Chrome is a big, big game changer. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure you follow us, because we're going to keep updating. This is version 1. Every time a new version comes out and it works better or quicker, you'll be updated about that. So see you in the next one, and bye for now. Oh, one more thing. Before you get started with this, you're going to have to use your own Gemini API key. To do that, you will be forced to add a Gemini API key over here. To get it, you just press this button down here. Let me just show you. Click on Get Your Gemini API Key, and then over here you click on the Create API Key at the top. But before you do that, you're going to need to create a project. So to do that, you need to create a new project by clicking on this, create a new project. You can call it whatever you want, and only then you'll be able to create a API key. And after that, once you created a project, only then you can create an API key. You can name your key, maybe call it idoit, and then you can select the project you created and create key, and that will create a key. Now, it doesn't work with the free tier, I think. You might need an upgrade to the paid tier, but you shouldn't worry. The fees for this API are very cheap. You will definitely cover your costs very quickly. If you use this for commercial purposes, you'll see it will do your work for you and save you so much time. So it's so worth it. Thank you for watching. This was idoit, the new Chrome extension, which works inside Google Chrome, which is basically the same as all the others like OpenAI's Atlas and Comet, just works better, more simple, and also you can see it doing the work unlike the others. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.